it's Betz from the Lavender Butterflies. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing good. And I have just a quick little tip for you. If you are like us here in Pennsylvania, we are experiencing warmer weather and we're really loving that, the sunshine. But what comes really quickly with this kind of weather is the ants come out, right? So that's very common in the spring and summer months. And they'll be outside in the sidewalk or making hills in the yard, and sometimes they even come in the house. And I wanted to share with you a really quick recipe. I'm going to actually link to the blog post for the actual formula of it. I don't know it just off the top of my head, but I know I have a blog post for it, and I'm going to link that for you. But it's very simple. You're just using lavender essential oil and water, and I think there's some peppermint in there, and that's just a natural way to get rid of ants, and it's all safe and natural. I know it's something that my kids really like to do. We mix this up in a big spray bottle, and they love going outside and spraying those ant hills, and then that just takes care of that ant problem for the summer. And if they start to come back, then we just spray it some more. My friend Erin last year, she used it on her kitchen counter, so she sprayed down her kitchen counter with that same solution, and I think she might have just let it set a little bit and let it dry naturally. I kind of forget. So Erin, maybe you can pipe up if you're watching this, and let us know whether you wiped it down or just let it air dry. But either way, it would have worked. And so then she found that the ants didn't come up on her counters anymore. So it's just handy. It's just a safe tip. It's because of its essential oils, it's non-toxic, so it's safe to be, in those areas where food is and that type of thing. It's safe to clean with these essential oils, and it's safe to spray down and get rid of ants that way. So I hope this tip was helpful for you. It's just really quick, but I wanted you to know how to get rid of ants, and I'll link to my blog post for the exact recipe. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.